Bucket wheel excavator. Bucket wheel excavator.
The bucket wheel excavator is scooping up coal buckets and dumping them onto a conveyor belt.
Power shovel excavator. Power shovel excavator.
At the mining site, the power shovel excavator is excavating rocks and dumping them into the truck bed.
Excavator. Excavator.
The worker operating the excavator is excavating rocks and dumping them into the truck bed. This is a very important vehicle in the construction industry.
Dump truck. Dump truck.
The wheel loader is dumping soil and rocks onto the dump truck. This is an important vehicle for transporting soil, rocks, and construction materials.
Articulated dump truck. Articulated dump truck.
Articulated dump truck is a type of truck with articulated joints that allows for flexible movement on construction sites.
Bulldozer. Bulldozer.
On the construction site, a worker is operating a bulldozer to level the ground for a transportation project.
Wheel loader. Wheel loader.
A wheel loader is dumping soil and rocks onto a dump truck, in addition to being widely used in the construction and mining industries.
Scraper. Scraper.
A scraper is excavating and transporting soil. It is used for building highways, hydroelectric dams, and other infrastructure projects.
Vibratory roller. Vibratory roller.
A construction worker is operating a vibratory roller to compact and firm up the surface of the road.
Motor grader. Motor grader.
A motor grader is grading, leveling, and smoothing the soil, which is the process of preparing the surface of a construction site before the road is renovated and built.
Truck mixer. Truck mixer.
A group of construction workers are using a truck mixer to pour concrete, which is a vehicle that transports concrete from the batching plant to the construction site.
Backhoe. Backhoe.
The construction worker is operating a backhoe to transport and gather wood, which is a versatile vehicle that can both excavate and compact.
Mobile crane. Mobile crane.
Mobile crane is a mobile crane used to lift and transport heavy materials such as concrete, steel, and building materials.
Crawler crane. Crawler crane.
Crawler crane is a large crane that moves on tracks and is used to lift and transport heavy and large materials.
Forwarder. Forwarder.
Forwarder is used to transport cut logs from the forest to a storage or transportation area, such as a railway.
Demolition excavator. Demolition excavator.
A demolition excavator is being used to demolish and clear a house to prepare the site for construction of a new one.
Telehandle. Telehandle.
Telehandler is designed to lift and transport heavy or difficult-to-move materials in construction sites or warehouses.
Forklift. Forklift.
A forklift is a type of material handling equipment used to transport and lift heavy materials in warehouses or manufacturing plants.
Skid steel loader. Skid steel loader.
A skid steer loader is a versatile machine with a small size and 360-degree pivot, which makes it agile when working or moving around.
Rigid dump truck. Rigid dump truck.
A rigid dump truck is a large truck capable of carrying a lot of earth and rocks, and is commonly used in mining and quarrying sites.